Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys phone device name change setting guys. You want to change guys your device name. Your phone device name is Realme, Nazo like that, and guys MI Redmi. So and friends, you want to change your device name. So guys, how can you change? In this video I will show you friends. So first of all guys, what will you have to do? And before starting video friends, one more thing guys, if you're in my channel, so friend first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friend first of all open your phone setting to change your device name, phone device name, and guys scroll it. As you can see your about device, so friends tap here, guys click on device name, and guys we will tap here to cut this name. And guys no device name guys you can set from yourself. Like example for I will take this Realme phone with icon guys. No, it's not support Realme phone. Example for guys we will take into Realme phone. So guys now you can check guys your phone device name has changed into Realme phone. And friends you want to change into your name and guys any another name, so guys you can change yourself. So I hope friends you have understood how to change device name in our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye and thanks for watching.